Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
Yes, here we practice English with very simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and fun, natural conversation.
No difficult grammar, no heavy words.
Just friendly English practice you can understand easily. And today's topic is something we all do every day,
Your social media routine.
your social media routine.
Let's begin.
So, Alex, how much social media do you use?
Um, a moderate, healthy, normal amount, which is actually a lot.
Same. My social media routine starts from morning and ends at night. What is your morning social media routine?
When I wake up, the first thing I do is open Instagram.
Same. I check stories, reels, messages, everything before even sitting up.
Morning prayer, no morning reel, yes.
That is me too. During the day, I scroll every hour.
Every hour? Wow, you are a professional scroller.
Yes, I scroll while eating, scroll while walking, scroll while doing nothing.
I scroll while thinking. Reels help me think better.
What's your favorite social media app?
Instagram, it has everything: memes, reels, food videos, cats.
Yes. Instagram is like a whole world. My second favorite is YouTube.
YouTube equals learning plus entertainment. Perfect combo.
Do you ever open social media for 5 minutes and end up watching for 45 minutes?
Every day. I open for 5 minutes and suddenly I'm watching top 10 ways to keep your cat happy.
Yes, random videos are so addictive.
Social media time moves faster than real time.
Do you post regularly?
No, I take 200 photos and post zero.
Same. My gallery is full, but my social media is empty.
We have content, but no confidence.
At night, my social media routine becomes strong.
Yes, I scroll till my eyes say, Bro, stop, please.
I say last reel, but then watch 20 more.
The last reel is a lie. We all know that.
Alex, do you feel weird without your phone?
Yes, if my phone is not with me, my soul leaves my body.
Social media has become a habit, a routine, a lifestyle.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I check social media every day.
I scroll Instagram and YouTube.
Sometimes I use it too much.
I watch reels and posts.
I want a healthy routine.
I will try to reduce my screen time.
Great job! Social media is fun, but too much can make you tired.
Yes, balance is important.
Use social media for fun, learning, and connection, not for stress.
And don't compare your life with others. Social media is not always real.
Alex, do you get distracted easily by social media?
Distracted? Mia, social media is the distraction.
True. One notification, mind gone.
Exactly. I can be studying, and one real notification changes my whole future.
Do you check social media while working?
Yes, and then I forget what I was doing.
Same. I open my phone for one message and suddenly I'm deep into 50 reels.
My focus, zero. My scrolling, 100.
Social media also makes me buy things I don't need.
Same. One cute ad appears, and my brain says, buy it.
Yes, social media is dangerous for the wallet.
Shopping plus scrolling equals financial disaster.
Alex, do you create content?
Sometimes, but I watch 100 times more than I create.
Same. I take pictures, save drafts, but never post.
We are content creators, but only in our minds.
Yes, exactly. But night scrolling is the strongest routine.
Definitely. I say, I will sleep early today. Then social media says, come here.
And suddenly it's 1 a.m.
And I'm still scrolling like, this is the last reel, but it is never the last. So, Mia, does social media cause mood swings?
Social media also changes my mood. One funny video, happy. One sad video, emotional. One food video, hungry. One travel video, jealous. One motivational video. Suddenly, I want to change my life.
Yes, social media is a full package of emotions. How to control social media usage?
If you want a healthy routine, try these simple tips. Take breaks. Turn off notifications. Set time limits. Don't check your phone in the morning. Focus on real life.
Yes, and spend time with real humans too, not just online humans.
Social media is fun, but real life is important.
Balance your routine. Use social media for learning and joy, not stress and comparison.
Your time is precious. Use it wisely.
Okay, Mia, this final part was fun.
Yes, talking about social media is always relatable.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Stay happy, stay balanced, stay mindful.
Bye.
Bye.